When tornadoes slammed into the tri-state a week ago, disaster coordination was quick and seamless.
That's because of the lessons learned from the twisters of 1999. 9 News reporter Tom McKee is here now with how that occurred. Tom?
Well, Brendan, Marlette Drive looks a lot different now than it did the morning of April 9th, 1999. Most of the houses there were either destroyed or damaged so badly they were torn down and rebuilt. What residents and first responders experienced 11 years ago helped a lot, especially in one particular house. Pat LaFay won't forget April 9th, 1999. Only 2 of their children were home when the twister hit. She and her husband were out of town.
We woke up that morning with a phone call. Says, "Mom, you know, our house is gone." And we said, "Well, go to the garage." And she said, "Mom, you don't get it. There's no garage."
The LaFay house and many others were destroyed, but they got through it with help from friends and strangers.
And people we didn't know were willing to help us pack up stuff, and the insurance people were wonderful too.
The LaFays were lucky enough to have bought enough insurance to cover their loss.
I definitely would recommend you getting insurance, full coverage, and for the value of the house, because they did replacement value for us.
And since that time, they've become much better at record keeping.
I do have pictures of what we own now, and I put it on a DVD so that if it happens again, we're going to be much better prepared.
Firefighters are better prepared too, according to Sycamore Township Fire Chief B.J. Yetter, president of the Hamilton County Fire Chiefs Association.
Biggest problem in '99, we didn't have any organized emergency management system, I would say.
That's changed with Hamilton County's Emergency Operations Center and a mobile operations center now in use in Moscow. That's improved command, control, and communications for mutual aid.
Communications in regards to on-scene communications, radio traffic. The other part of that is getting the information back from the local community. What do you need? How do you need it? Who's affected? How do we communicate with people? Do we know their home?
Your advice here is have a personal disaster plan for your house and family, and keep vital personal information perhaps in a small safe or locked box. Many of these lessons became even more important after September 11, 2001, and those plans still are being tweaked even today.